Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare to bring you the top 5 best blackhead removal devices. Whether you're battling stubborn blackheads or looking for a more effective skincare routine, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we explore these amazing tools that promise to leave your skin clear, smooth, and glowing. Let's get started. Number 5. Peicon Ultrasonic Blackhead Remover. Introducing the Peicon Ultrasonic Blackhead Remover, your ultimate solution for radiant, flawless skin. With its advanced technology, this device is designed to transform your skincare routine. Let's dive into what makes the Peicon Ultrasonic Blackhead Remover a must-have. Ultrasonic vibration deep cleans your pores like never before, ensuring a thorough cleanse. Ion technology, positive ions draw out impurities, while negative ions help absorb skincare nutrients for maximum effectiveness. EMS microcurrent stimulation enhances skin elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Thermal care, gentle heat opens pores, making it easier to remove stubborn blackheads and cleanse deeply. Here's how it works. Step 1. Cleanse your face to prepare for treatment. Step 2. Activate the Peicon Ultrasonic Blackhead Remover to deeply cleanse and purify your skin. Step 3. Nourish and hydrate with your favorite skincare products. Step 4. Enjoy an EMS massage to tighten and lift, revealing smoother, younger-looking skin. Featuring 5 modes including Ion, EMS, and more, each designed to address specific skincare needs from deep cleaning to anti-aging. Users are raving about the results. Say goodbye to blackheads, dull skin, and large pores. Say hello to a radiant complexion with the Peicon Ultrasonic Blackhead Remover. Ready to elevate your skincare game? Order your Peicon Ultrasonic Blackhead Remover today and experience the difference. Click the link below in the description to get yours now. Your skin deserves it. Number 4. SOTHING Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Blackhead Remover. Introducing the SOTHING Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Blackhead Remover, your ultimate solution for a clearer complexion. Harnessing the power of advanced ultrasonic technology, this innovative device combines deep cleansing and nutrient absorption like never before. Let's dive into its features. First, the Deep Cleanse mode uses continuous waves to gently exfoliate, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin refreshed and ultra-smooth. Next, the Sonophoresis mode pulses waves to enhance skin permeability, ensuring your serums penetrate deeper for maximum effectiveness. Worried about those pesky blackheads? Fear not. The SOTHING Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber effectively eliminates blackheads with its precise technology. Using it is simple. Just glide the spatula gently over your skin at a 45-degree angle to reveal smoother, firmer skin. But remember, never stay in one spot for more than 3 seconds to avoid overheating. Plus, it's compact and rechargeable, making it perfect for home or travel use. Discover the secret to radiant skin with the SOTHING Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Blackhead Remover. Say goodbye to blackheads and hello to smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Number 3. AOKO Blackhead Remover. Discover the secret to flawless skin with the AOKO Blackhead Remover. The AOKO Blackhead Remover is shown on a sleek bathroom counter. The camera slowly zooms in to highlight its features. This revolutionary device combines advanced ultrasonic technology with a user-friendly design, offering you professional skincare right at home. Say goodbye to stubborn blackheads and hello to a smoother, rejuvenated complexion. The Deep Cleanser treatment uses continuous waves to remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin refreshed and ultra-smooth. The Sonophoresis treatment uses pulsing waves to enhance serum absorption, boosting your skin's hydration and plumpness. With its 3 adjustable modes, ultrasonic cleaning, negative ion introduction, and lifting, you can customize your skincare routine to meet your needs. The 24K high-frequency vibrating shovel ensures deep cleaning, while the nano-ultrasonic water mist deeply hydrates your skin. Simply select your desired mode, glide the spatula across your face, and let the ultrasonic waves do the rest. It's that easy. Experience deep cleansing, enhanced absorption of nutrients, and a lifted, more youthful appearance. the AOKO Blackhead Remover is your all-in-one solution for healthier, more beautiful skin. Transform your skincare routine with the AOKO Blackhead Remover. Order yours today and unveil your best skin ever. Number 2. Deciniee Blackhead Remover. Meet the Deciniee Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber, your new skincare best friend. The Deciniee Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber is a revolutionary device that combines advanced skincare technology with ease of use. Designed for deep cleaning and pore refining, this device will transform your skincare routine. Featuring 4 modes: cleaning, lifting, import, and export, you can customize your skincare experience to suit your needs. Whether you're looking to exfoliate, lift and tighten, or deeply cleanse, the Deciniee Skin Scrubber has got you covered. The cleaning mode utilizes ultrasonic vibrations to effectively remove blackheads, whiteheads, and dead skin cells. Paired with the silicone brush head, it gently exfoliates and leaves your skin smooth and delicate. Say goodbye to tangled cords. The Deciniee Skin Scrubber is wireless and rechargeable, providing up to 100 minutes of use after just a 1-hour charge. It's perfect for on-the-go skincare. Experience a firmer, lifted facial appearance with the EMS facial lifting mode. This mode stimulates collagen regeneration, helping to reduce wrinkles and tighten skin. Integrating the Deciniee Skin Scrubber into your skincare routine is effortless. After steaming your face or using a hot towel, apply a blackhead-deriving solution and gently move the device around your pores. Follow up with a facial mask or moisturizer to lock in the benefits. Ready to transform your skincare routine? Try the Deciniee Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber today and reveal your best skin yet. Click the link below to order now and say goodbye to blackheads and hello to radiant skin. Advanced skincare technology at your fingertips. Number 1. Beautystar Blackhead Acne Spots Removal. This powerful ultrasonic skin scrubber is designed to tackle blackheads, acne spots, and even facial dirt. It's like having a spa treatment right at home. Let's talk specs. The Beautystar operates on 110-220 volt with a power of 8 watt. It uses a 24 kHz ultrasonic frequency with modulation options of 3 Hz and 30 Hz. This means you're getting a professional-grade skincare tool that delivers 50 megawatts to 1 watt of supersonic power. But what does it do exactly? This little wonder removes eye bags, scars, and even tackles local obesity. It helps with acne nursing, smooths wrinkles, removes melanin, and goes the extra mile to eliminate aging cutin. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need to get started: the main machine, a scrub head, a power cord, and an instruction manual. It's all here, ready for you to start your journey to flawless skin. Now, a few important tips. Always remove metal accessories before using the device. Keep the probe clean, but never wash it with water. Use cotton to disinfect. Avoid using it on damp areas or directly on the eyeballs. And remember, if you have liver or kidney issues, cardiovascular disease, or sensitive skin, this device isn't for you. The Beautystar uses a 24K high-frequency vibration to deeply clean your skin. Its 100% stainless spatula opens up pores, allowing for thorough cleansing. Say goodbye to blackheads and acne spots with this game changer. Ready to transform your skincare routine? Get your Beautystar Blackhead Acne Spots Removal device today and experience the magic of ultrasonic cleaning. That's it for today's video. We hope you found our rundown of the best blackhead removal devices helpful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful.